In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect and sync Calendly to GoHighLevel. Before we jump in, make sure you're logged into the exact GoHighLevel sub-account where you want this connection to live, and that you have an active Calendly account ready. Having both open in your browser will make the process smoother. Start by signing in to your GoHighLevel sub-account. This is important because connections are saved at the sub-account level, not globally. Once you're in, look for the settings area. You'll usually find a gear icon on the left-hand sidebar. Click that to open the workspace where all your account-level configurations live. Inside Settings, choose Calendars. This is where GoHighLevel manages everything related to availability, scheduling, and external calendar integrations. If you're used to creating calendars here, the next step is about linking an external provider so your availability and bookings stay in sync. Within Calendars, open the Connections section. This tab is dedicated to linking outside scheduling tools like Calendly. If you don't see it right away, check along the top navigation inside Calendars for the Connections option. Next, click Add New. This opens a list of available providers. You'll see different calendar and scheduling services here. We're going to connect Calendly so bookings made through your Calendly links flow into GoHighLevel. Find Calendly in the list and click Connect. A new window or pop-up will appear guiding you through the secure authorization flow. If your browser blocks pop-ups, allow them for this page and try again. Sign in to Calendly if prompted, and if you have multiple workspaces or organizations, select the one that holds the event types you plan to use. Review the permissions and approve the connection. These permissions let GoHighLevel read your availability and sync appointments so you don't double book. After authorizing, you'll return to GoHighLevel and see Calendly listed under your connections. It should show as connected. If it doesn't appear immediately, give it a moment and refresh the page. From here, GoHighLevel will pull in your Calendly data, letting your availability and bookings align between the two platforms. If you manage multiple event types in Calendly, confirm that the correct ones are visible in GoHighLevel, and keep your browser logged into the right Calendly account to avoid linking the wrong workspace. That's it. You've connected Calendly to GoHighLevel, and your scheduling can now run seamlessly. If you run into access issues, double-check your permissions in both tools and retry the authorization. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.